Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to Alexa using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, turn on your Bluetooth headphones, press and hold the power or Bluetooth button until you see blinking light. This means your headphones are ready to connect. Now open Amazon Alexa app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap a plus sign at the top of your screen, then tap on device. Now tap Amazon Echo, then choose the Echo device you want to connect your headphones to. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner, tap Bluetooth device, then tap pair a new device. Wait for your headphones to appear on the list, then tap their name. Now test it, say Alexa play music. You should hear the sound through your Bluetooth headphone. And that's it, you have successfully connected Bluetooth headphones to Alexa using an iPhone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.